are here with this 20-foot, it's a 1998 Sweetwater. This is a rental boat, so it's been used and abused. You can see you got a little dock rash here. We have a door that's all bent up. Just wear and tear on a rental boat is serious stuff. But the big upgrades we're gonna do, this is a full-on refurbish. We're gonna do new railings, new decking. The huge thing, if you can imagine, cleaning up after people every time they rent from you. Getting rid of this carpet is gonna make this rental services job a lot easier. We'll climb in because we are gonna replace the seats and all, but let's take a look on the inside. Seats, they're just run down, nothing wrong with them terribly, but starting to get a little bit worn on the vinyl. Again, going with a tan floor, replacing the seats. Our situation in the back is gonna be an L couch with a sun deck. We're gonna open up and have a stern entry back here. It'll make it easier for swimming, tubing, whatever else. It'll get a large helm, new captain's chair, new bimini top. This will be a totally different boat when we're done with it. We're back with this 1998 Sweetwater. Doesn't look so much like the same old boat that it was. Let's start on the outside. We've got the new beige panels and railings from Deckmate. We have a heavy duty swim ladder, nice lightweight. This is bolted through the deck. Plenty sturdy to climb up and enter the back of the boat. There is a side entry door on each side. And then in the front, we have the wide radius corners to modernize it. Stainless cleats. We have a latch, door latch for trailering or for safety if you've got kids on the boat. Easy install, gives you that extra element of safety. We're gonna go inside and take a look at the floor and the furniture. In the front, we've got a 30-inch premium ivory with beige and tan seat, right into a 38-inch bench. Tons of storage underneath both of these. They both flip wide open to give you storage, place for anchors, bumpers, life jackets, all of that. We have a couple speakers up front. And then as we move to the back, you'll notice that tan vinyl weave flooring throughout the whole boat. We have a large helm, gives you a nice place to put a fire extinguisher, easy access. In the back, we've got a left lean back. Again, tons of storage underneath this particular seat. Lots of room for a whole bunch of life jackets, bumpers, whatever you need to store. And then we've got a 38-inch bench, 28 corner into that 28 bench. Nice LC, we have the triangle table. Allows for a nice flow through the boat to the back, but also gives you a place to put your food and drinks. In the back, we had a custom sun deck cover made. This houses our gas tank. Not the crazy fancy gas tank, just a 12-gallon removable, but it gets the job done, it gets it out of the way. Tons of storage underneath here. We have that stern entry door to give us access to the ladder. So nice and easy access for swimming, tubing, whatever you're doing on the boat. On the helm, we have a basic switch panel, a stereo, a nice Burlwood gauge panel, reuse their old gauges. We were able to reuse their gauges, their shift throttle, ignition, their steering system. Just had to replace the cable. So a lot of times when you're redoing a boat, you can reuse a lot of your good old equipment and then make it look new with the new console. We also have the heavy duty bimini in an 8-foot by 8-foot with the tan canvas. This boat, ready for the water. It's a rental. It's gonna get lots of use this summer. That's exciting because it's freshened up looking new for a fraction of the cost of a new 20-foot boat.